Welcome everybody to Blue Bricks 1101. And today I decided to make a short series about me trying to build something every day. It isn't not Lego sets, but me building something just with my bare hands with my own ideas. Because I'm not that good at Lego building, so I decided if I make a Lego build every day, maybe I can get better and better. I don't know how many days, maybe like 100 or so. Just see how long it is. So first we need to build something. So let's build it. And that's it. We build our first build for today. Next time I'll probably will build something else, or maybe I'll release a video. We'll see. So you got that. It's a speedo I made, and that's it for today. Hope you all have a great rest of the day. And remember, Jesus loves you.